Hey kids, how hero lives, how hero lives. He wash his hands with his face. This is how hero lives. Water and soap, wash his hands with his face. He eats healthy food, vegetables and meat. This is how hero lives. This is how hero lives. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Water and soap, wash your hands. Eat healthy food, vegetables and meat. This is how hero lives. Come on kids, tell me how hero lives, how hero lives. Come on kids, tell me how hero lives, how hero lives. Come on kids, tell me how hero lives, how hero lives. He wash his hands with his face, eats healthy food, vegetables and meat, vegetables and meat. Now I know how hero lives, how hero lives, how hero lives. Yay! Good job! Now I know how hero lives, how hero lives, how hero lives.
To watch more videos, please subscribe with BNBON channel with play, study and fun. Thank you.